thing is an absolute unit, man. Badass. All right, friends. Well, this just officially turned into a tractor vlog. Look at what we have here. What? Cafe machinery? I just walked right up upon it. Did you just look at it? Look at this thing. Look at the size of it. Look at that bad boy combine right there. What? Holy smokes. That thing's a monster, dude. Wow, biggest one probably ever made. All right, I'm gonna pop in here real quick and see if they have any parts for a 1976 John Deere lawnmower. You don't even expect it. It's that big, dude. Until you walk up on it, look at the size of that guy. It is gigantic, man. So awesome. This thing, S770. What on earth? Perfect. Here. All right, new hat. That was a smashing success. And a new wheel for the new tractor. Killer. Picking up this U-Haul over here at this storage unit place. And man, they are antsy. They called me while I was in there in John Deere. Acting like 10 more minutes to wait is a little too long almost. Let's get this damn U-Haul and get on the road. Perfect.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
oh,
but
man.
And then the last one I could get in this town was only 120 bucks a
man.
pop, so I did a couple. But I got some cash. I got like 600 bucks.
All right, that'll do. That's fine.
All right.
So you stopped over at Pape?
Yeah, yeah. I got a new wheel already for that.
Is that
thing.
right?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Man, oh man.
That front, I don't waste no time, man.
You got a John Deere addiction, don't you?
I do have one. Yep.
Green and yellow.
Yeah.
There's a little problem
cool.
for you, apparently. Hey.
Well, good deal. Yeah. So you're pretty sure these will just cut off and weld on?
Oh yeah, I know they will.
Okay, great.
Yeah. In fact, okay. So would you mind grabbing a tape measure, Rowan?
Yes, sure.
If this what. I talked to a guy. I bought some of these parts from a guy in Salem.
Yeah.
I was like, So, battery's okay. I put a full charge on it.
Yeah.
Okay, so you've got, this is your high and low.
Yeah.
And then, just go forward or backward.
Yeah. Pretty sure that's original then, huh?
I think so.
Yeah.
I think it should work. And there's no reason to doubt it.
Yeah, okay.
Mike, what did you put Mike inside?
Yeah, okay.
So,
damn, dude, everything is so much heavier duty and bigger than I thought it would be.
Right?
And that's what I'm looking for.
Well, this is a beefy dash.
Yeah, it really is.
Yeah. So these go on.
Yep.
And then this hooks on. Well, what happens is this is supposed to go onto the front. There's supposed to be a little ear. And you stick it on there and click it up.
Yeah.
And these are supposed to engage.
Yeah, yeah.
The guy
it's like the blade, huh?
Yeah. Yep. So then that's hooked on the front, and you hook on the up and
lift
down
arms there
on the back.
Okay, cool.
And then PTO. This is the little yoke.
Yeah.
I guess it's the other way. I know, probably needs a little oil.
Good deal.
I can't see that it needs oil. I think it's supposed to push backwards like a normal PTO. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Little
Cool.
WD-40 and a little grease. I think it'd be in good shape.
Yeah. Awesome. No idea if this has oil in it. Haven't run it.
I've not run it.
Okay. Cool.
And you can see, you know. Okay, let's flip it over on the wheels, and the wheels are gonna try to push it up. Okay, so careful now.
Yeah. Totally looks salvageable and usable.
Yep.
Rollers are even functional, huh?
Yep.
Not bad. Good deal. Yeah. I wonder what, oh, is one of the, I bet that is what's allowing one of them pulleys to come up, maybe?
Oh, maybe so.
Maybe these two guys?
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay. Yeah, I was watching one of these videos where the guy rebuilds this thing. I was surprised that it's a bolt going into the spindle instead of a nut with a shaft out of the spindle, but... Okay, just the belt spinning.
Yeah.
Good. All right, can we lay it down just for a sec, or is that a pain? Let's just kind of see how these are doing. Oh God, let's kill those. I don't want those in the friggin' U-Haul.
Yeah, hang on. Do you know where the soapy water is? I got it.
This thing is an absolute unit, man. Badass. Awesome.
Probably not, but it's so much more fun.
All right, my friends, check it out. There it is, the big 60-inch mower deck. The John Deere 400 from 1976. And an extra frame with some other parts and pieces, front axles off of a 314 as well. Little stop at Dairy Queen, and dudes, we have got 9 hours of motoring ahead of us. It'll be 2 o'clock in the morning if I don't take any rests, really, don't take any stops. So I don't see that happening, but we're gonna give it our best. Onward. Beautiful, man, look at those grainy fields. God's country. Also the road. Watch this fuel economy tank. Oh man, that beautiful Oregon countryside. Wow, that's some big mammoth jammas. Holy smokes, man. Huge. Wow. This place always is interesting to go by. I don't know, is it a cement factory